Analysis of the Sankey diagram, business benefits of AI-powered solutions. This Sankey diagram visually represents how AI-powered solutions, the source, contribute to various business benefits, the targets. The flow of AI-powered enhancements is shown through color-coded paths, highlighting different aspects of impact. 1 Key components in the diagram. A nodes, boxes on left and right. Left side, source. The AI-powered solutions node represents the origin of the benefits. Right side, targets. 5 business benefits are shown as output nodes. B links, colorful bands. Each colored band connects AI-powered solutions to a specific benefit. The thickness of each band represents the weight/importance of that connection. 2. Breakdown of each path and its meaning. Source, AI-powered solutions benefit, target, color representation. AI enhances automation, increased efficiency, yellow, rightward arrow, red. AI improves precision and reduces errors, enhanced accuracy, green, rightward arrow, purple. AI enables better insights from data-driven decisions, red, rightward arrow, blue. AI supports scalable operations, scalability, blue, rightward arrow, green. AI helps businesses get instant feedback, real-time insights, purple, rightward arrow, yellow. 3. Observations and key insights. Thicker paths indicate stronger influence, example, increased efficiency and scalability have thick bands. Color-coded paths help differentiate benefits visually. The dark background enhances readability and contrast, making it easier to follow the connections. Text labels are positioned inside the nodes for clarity. 4. Conclusion. This Sankey diagram effectively communicates how AI-powered solutions distribute their impact across different business benefits. The structured layout follows the ICOM methodology, ensuring a clear and visually appealing representation of AI's role in business efficiency. AI-powered, the ICOM, Input Control Output Mechanism, template, which is commonly used in business process modeling and system design. Below is a detailed breakdown of the template based on its components. Subtitle, Data-Driven Decisions. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect. Refer author book, Success by Design and Practice, page number 57. ICOM Framework Explanation. The ICOM model is used to structure business processes by defining 4 key elements. 1. Input, I, the data, or information required to start the process. 2. Control, C, the rules, conditions, or logic that govern how the process operates. 3. Output, O, the results or deliverables generated after processing the inputs. 4. Mechanism, M, the tools, systems, or people that execute the process. Detailed explanation of the template. From the diagram, multiple interconnected ICOM blocks form a structured workflow. Here's how the elements interact. 1. First level, initial process stage. The process starts with an input being fed into a system. The control mechanism applies business rules, constraints, or logic. The output is generated and passed to the next stage. A mechanism, such as a software system, AI engine, or human intervention, executes the operation. 2. Second level, intermediate processing. Multiple interconnected ICOM components process data sequentially. Some processes take multiple inputs and combine them based on control rules. Decision points determine different paths in the workflow. 3. Final level, decision and execution. The system generates the final output based on processed inputs. A final control step ensures compliance, verification, or approval. The process concludes with an executed action by a mechanism, example AI-driven automation, database updates, notifications. Key takeaways from the template. 1. Hierarchical flow. The structure follows a layered approach, where initial inputs transform through multiple control steps before reaching final execution. 2. AI-powered control. AI and automation can enhance control elements by making real-time decisions and optimizing workflows. 3. Mechanism as execution engine. The mechanism block represents the execution system, which could be a human team, an AI model, or automated software. 4. Scalability and modularity. Each ICOM block can be reused or modified for different business domains, making it a scalable and adaptable template. Application of this template in business. This ICOM-based AI-powered template can be used in various industries. Industry example use case. HRMS automating employee recruitment, onboarding, and performance management. Finance fraud detection, financial risk assessment, and invoice processing. Manufacturing AI-driven quality control, supply chain optimization. Project management AI-powered project tracking, milestone automation. Supply chain demand forecasting, logistics automation, vendor management. Conclusion. The ICOM framework provides a structured way to model business processes, and integrating AI-powered mechanisms can automate decision-making, optimize workflows, and improve operational efficiency. The ICOM, Input Control Output Mechanism, diagram, which is used in business process modeling and system design. It represents how different components interact within a structured workflow. Template business solution design powered by AI. A business solution design powered by AI typically involves integrating artificial intelligence into structured workflows to enhance efficiency, automate decision-making, and optimize processes. Based on the ICOM diagram provided, we can break down the AI-powered business solution into key functional components. 1. Input, data collection and pre-processing. AI-driven solutions require data input from various sources such as databases, user interactions, sensors, or APIs. AI can automate data validation and pre-processing using natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, ML, or deep learning models. Examples: customer orders, inventory data, HR records, financial transactions. 2. Control, AI decision engine. AI algorithms analyze inputs to make decisions based on predefined rules or machine learning models. Control logic ensures that workflows follow business policies and compliance guidelines. Examples: AI in HRMS, automating recruitment and onboarding processes. AI in manufacturing, predicting machine failures before they occur. 3. Output, action and reporting. The AI system generates outputs in the form of reports, dashboards, or automated actions. Predictive analytics provide business insights for strategic decision-making. Examples: AI in finance, automated risk assessment and fraud detection. AI in supply chain, demand forecasting for inventory optimization. 4. Mechanism, automation and execution. AI-powered mechanisms execute tasks autonomously based on the generated insights. Robotic process automation, RPA, can handle repetitive tasks, while AI-driven bots provide intelligent automation. Examples: AI in customer service, chatbots handling customer inquiries. AI in quality control, image recognition systems for defect detection. Business benefits of AI-powered solutions. ICOM increased efficiency, automation reduces manual effort, leading to cost and time savings. ICOM data-driven decisions, AI enhances predictive analytics, enabling proactive decision-making. ICOM scalability, AI systems can handle large-scale operations without human intervention. ICOM enhanced accuracy, AI reduces human errors in critical business processes. ICOM real-time insights, AI-driven analytics provide immediate feedback for agile business operations. Conclusion. This template business solution design integrates AI into various business functions using a structured approach based on ICOM methodology. By leveraging AI, organizations can streamline workflows, enhance decision-making, and improve overall operational efficiency. Thank you.